Hi, I'm at Dynamic Physical Therapy. I've been coming here for a couple of months now. I have to say Dr. Isha has been extremely therapeutic in helping me with my knee. I had a total knee replacement and I had come for knee replacement therapy. This is the place to come to. I'm sorry I never came here for my other health issues, but fortunately I'm here now. And I'm so grateful to the staff here. They're all wonderful. They take you on time. They're always checking in on your work. Anybody, again, any issues that you have, whether it's knee replacement, hip replacement. I've seen so many people come and go, and with their necks, their backs, their arms, people that could barely move. They've been here and they've been so compassionate, helpful, and understanding.